Class 5th, English Grammar. Today we are going to study chapter 4. Topic is one word substitution. One word substitution means a single word for a number of words, expressions, phrases or clauses. For example, a seat without a back or arm is called stool. So, you can see a sentence is given. It can be a phrase or a clause also. And one word is there. For this whole sentence, there is one word. So, this is called one word substitution. Some one word substitutions which you have to learn is to think that something is true or real means believe. The action of allowing someone to do something. In one word we say permission. A circular path for runners. Track. In a way that shows someone is not excited, nervous or upset. Calmly. A way to destination. Route. A person who hunts wild animals. Hunter. More than enough. Ankle. The color of white and red mixed together. Pink. Abduct someone and hold captive. Kidnap. A raised platform where actors perform. Stage. A model that represents someone. Effigy. An open vehicle with two wheels pulled by horses. Chariot. A period of time when there is no war. Peace. A person living next door or nearby. Neighbor. A small body of still water. Pond. Lacking good sense or judgment. Foolish. One who speaks too much. Chatterbox. Feeling fear. Afraid. A building where special objects are stored and exhibited. Museum. A tall, narrow building. Tower. A place where people sit to eat meals that are cooked there. Restaurant. A journey or excursion. Trip. A country other than one's own. Foreign. A person or group which attack a place. Invader. One's native country. Motherland. Love for one's country. Patriotism. A gentle wind. Breeze. A state of depression. Gloom. To ask for advice, help. Seek. In a comfortable way. Comfortably. the desire to know about something. Curiosity, a place for the confinement of people accused of crime. Jail, a place with temporary accommodation. Camp, a short-handed farming tool. Sickle, long established, traditional. A loud cry of anger, fear. Scream, a general position towards which a person or thing moves. Direction, a person who shows the way to others. Guide, the belief and worship of a personal God. Religion, a feeling of amazement, wonder. Small pieces of paper, scraps, a powerful effect, impact, shining brightly, gleaming. To say or think that someone did something wrong, blame. To calculate the number of people or things in a group, count. Very hot and bright, blaze. A solemn promise, pledge. Very unhappy or uncomfortable, miserable. Give up something valuable to help another person. Sacrifice, relating to deep feelings and religious beliefs. Spiritual, fashionable and expensive in a way to impress people. Swanky, an object for fighting or attacking. Weapon, husband and wife, couple. To say that you are sorry for doing something wrong. Apology. I hope you will learn all these one word substitutions. First write down in your copies, learn them and prepare well for your coming exams. Now moving on to the next chapter. Use of can and cannot. Read the following examples carefully. I can read English. I cannot write English. You can swim. They cannot swim. Rule 1. Can is used to express power, ability or capacity of the subject. Can is also used to give permission. For example, Anita can drive a car. She can do this work. Next rule. Cannot is used to express prohibition from doing something. In another way we can say saying no to it. For example, Anil cannot use a computer. She cannot come with us. So here are some homework which you have to do. Learn the one word substitutions. Find out 5 more one word substitutions other than the above ones and write down in your copies. Write 5 tasks which you can do using can, and also write 5 such tasks which you cannot do using cannot. Thank you.